oh boy, there's nothing to do today.
I just heard a great story about a wizard and a billion sneezes.
Can you tell it to me?
Sure I can, Andy. Are you comfy?
Mm-hmm.
Well, here we go.
Phew. I'm tired of all the rain we've been having this week. I hope the wizard can make it stop. Wizard!
You called for me, Your Majesty.
Yes, wizard. I'd like you to do something about the weather so we'll have a nice day for tomorrow's picnic.
Well, I'll try, Your Majesty, but I'm not sure I can do anything.
Why not? You've worked weather spells before.
But not when I was sick. My magic doesn't always work when I'm sick.
Well, what's the matter with you?
Well, it seems I've caught the sneezix bug that's going around, so every time I sneeze, choo!
Oh, where did he go? He didn't even finish his sentence. Oh, take that, you horrid spider! Take that, and that!
I'm not really a spider, Your Majesty.
Oh, well, you certainly look like one. Yuck!
Please stop hitting me, Your Majesty. I'm really the wizard.
Well, how can that be?
Well, when I sneezed, I turned into a spider.
Oh, well, why did you want to do that?
I didn't want to do that, but that's what happens when you get the sneezix. You turn into any animal when you sneeze.
Can you use magic to change yourself back?
Well, I can try. Alakazam! Alakazee! Change me back to look like me!
Now, where did he go? Where is he? Oh, now. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. That looks like a bear. But is that you, wizard?
Well, I won't hurt you, Your Majesty, honest.
I thought you were going to turn back to your regular self.
I wanted to, but my magic doesn't always work when I'm sick.
Well, maybe it would work better if you had your magic wand. How about if I go and get it for you?
Well, I hope this works.
I'll be right back.
All right. Switching really hurts. My magic wand might help me.
I'll wave it while you recite the appropriate spell. How about that?
Thank you.
Okay.
Abracadabra, abracadoo! Make me a wizard instead of a zoo!
Oh dear, he's vanished. Where did he go now? Oh, but there's the pig for the roast. You got loose, you won't get away from me now, Porky. Ah, there, I've got you.
Oh, Your Majesty, please get off of me. Your Majesty, oh,
I hear the wizard, but I don't see him.
I've turned into a pig.
What? Oh, well, if you don't change back to your regular self, somebody might roast you tomorrow.
I think I need my book of magic.
Oh, well, I'll go get it for you. I'll be right back.
Thank you. I hope the magic works fine this time. I'm getting awfully sore.
Here it is. I've got the book.
Oh, yes, I see. Okay, Your Highness, I'm ready to try again.
Okay. Here we go.
Razzle, dazzle, frazzle, pop, magic, make this switching stop.
Oh, thank heavens. You're back now. Will you please do something about the rain now, wizard?
I'm very sorry, Your Majesty, but when I'm sick, I can cast only 3 spells per day.
Well, then why don't you go to bed and rest for tomorrow?
I will, and you ought to lie down too, Your Majesty. You're starting to look a little pale. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, goodbye, wizard. Oh, he's right, you know. I am feeling a little strange. I hope I'm not getting sick too. Oh, that would... Gadzooks! I've caught the wizard's sneezix. Oh, well, at least I'll enjoy the weather now. It's a great day for fishing.
That was fun.
Yeah. Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time, boys and girls.
Bye.